In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to count missing or blank values in a column using Power BI and DAX functions. Understanding how to handle missing data is crucial for any data analysis project, as it allows you to maintain data integrity and gain accurate insights. Power BI DAX provides several built-in functions to help identify and manage these blanks effectively. Let's dive into these methods and explore how you can implement them in your own datasets. Firstly, one of the primary functions you'll use is COUNTBLANK. This function is specifically designed to count how many rows in a given column contain blank or missing values. It's straightforward and incredibly useful when you're dealing with data that may not be complete. For instance, if you're working with a table named Table 1 and you want to find out how many blank entries there are in column A, you simply create a measure like this. Missing column A equals COUNTBLANK of table column. This will return the number of rows where column A is blank, giving you a clear indication of how many entries are missing. Now, let's say you're interested in understanding not just the count, but the proportion of missing values relative to the total number of rows. In this case, you can calculate the percentage of blank values. To do this, first, you need to determine the total number of rows in your table. You can achieve this by using the COUNTROws function, which returns the number of rows in a table. Then, you'll use COUNTBLANK again to get the number of blank rows. With these two numbers, you can calculate the percentage of missing values by dividing the number of blanks by the total number of rows. In DAX, it would look like this. First, define total rows as COUNTROws of Table 1, then blank rows as COUNTBLANK of Table 1, column A. Finally, return the result of dividing blank rows by total rows. If you prefer to show this as a percentage, simply format the result accordingly in your visualizations. Alternatively, if your goal is to focus on non-blank values, DAX offers options for that as well. The COUNTA function counts all non-blank entries in a column, including text, numbers, and logicals, but it excludes blanks. This is perfect for when you want a straightforward count of existing data. Additionally, if numeric values are your only concern, you might opt for the COUNT function, which specifically counts non-blank numeric entries. There's also another approach using the COUNTROws function in combination with the filter function. In this scenario, you can filter the table to include only rows where a specific column is not blank. For example, the DAX expression would be non-blank column A2 equals COUNTROws, followed by filter of Table 1, and not I as blank of Table 1, column A. This effectively gives you the complement of missing values and allows for a targeted analysis of your data. By mastering these DAX functions, you can confidently manage missing data in your Power BI projects, enhancing the overall quality and reliability of your analyses. Whether you're working on a straightforward count of blanks or diving deeper into the data's non-blank elements, these techniques will surely empower you to make informed decisions. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this walkthrough helpful.